Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Even I'm doing very well. So today in this video I'm gonna show you a very good recipe, that is waffles. So most of the people are not aware of waffles. You must be thinking, what is waffles? It's new to here. I know, but it is not that famous over here, but still it is available in most of the big restaurants. But it is a famous dish in outside like in US and UK, and people always keep eating waffles, and they also prepare at home as a breakfast and also as a snack. So here in India you can just prepare it as a snack. So as this is a new dish, most of the people must have not tried. People and mostly childrens will like it very much, and you can use scoop of ice creams like vanilla or any like chocolate ice cream or anything on that. First I'm gonna show you how to prepare a waffle, basic waffle. On that you can use anything like Hershey's, Nutella, ice creams, or any kind of ice creams you can use, and I'm sure you will like it. Yeah, so I'm going to show you that kind of dish today, so which we can prepare a batter at home. And also normally outside for waffles we'll use a waffles or sandwich maker, or any kind of there will be waffle stand or a waffle maker which will be available separately, but we are not using any waffle maker today. We are just using a thing which is available in our kitchen. So without any delay, let's just start with the dish which kids love it. I'm sure you can just prepare for them and give it off to them, and put some ice cream or anything on that and just give it off to them. They like it. If you don't have ice cream, just buy one 10 rupees Hershey's packet and just put on that and give it off to them. They will love it and ask you for again, I'm sure. So just prepare it, and let me know also in the comment section, so that I feel very encouraged and support you to make these kind of dishes for the kids. So you don't forget to taste also, even you will like it. I'm sure, because I liked it and I kept preparing as a snack. So if you are watching my video for the first time, just click on the subscribe button at the bottom of my video and bell button beside that, and that's it. I feel very happy for that and nothing more, and that will be seriously very encouraging for me. So without any delay, let's get started. So for the preparation of waffles at home, we are gonna prepare a batter first. For that we are taking maida of 1 cup. 1 cup is more than enough, but because the batter will be very loose, and we are taking 2.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Don't use crystal sugar, and half tablespoon of baking powder. Just please note it, and just a pinch of baking soda in that, and also a pinch of salt, and that would be more than enough, and you don't need anything else for this. And to just mix it, we are not using any water in this. We'll use milk. Just use milk and keep on mixing it, and make in such a way it should be in a consistency of dosa batter. So you will love it. I'm sure the kids will, I'm sure they'll like it. So once in a while you can prepare this to them, and they'll just enjoy it. So now I'm gonna add a little ghee in that, or you can also add oil also, as this should not stick to the pan which we are using here. So this is tawa which will be available in everywhere in all the kitchens. So I hope it is available in your kitchen also. So we are just wiping it, and the stove should not be in a medium, and it should be in a low flame. After it got little heated up, and we are just pouring it and trying to adjust the edges or the borders of the tawa. So we should cover everywhere. We should not leave anything on the tawa, and use the spoon, and if you can't do it properly, use the spoon and spread it properly, as it may leads to the lumps in the middle. There should not be any lumps. Try not to put any lumps, so that is the reason why we are putting the flame in low. If you just put in a high flame, it just burns off. So try to put in a low flame. And after this, after spreading everything, we have to just close the lid like this, so that this should be there at least for 2 minutes, and not more than that. We are just steaming for 2 minutes, and after that try to heat it all around the tawa, because as this is maida it takes little time, and we have steamed it and now we are just baking it. So all the rounds and all the sides and the border should also be nicely baked up, and it should be very crispy. Till then you have to bake it. So it is just baking it, and this is a different kind of waffles, and without a sandwich maker this is the best way to make the waffles. A good snack for the children, and kids will love it. So try to remove it on the stove. If you can't, just let it set or cool it for just 1 minute, that is more than enough. And you can remove if you are using a good tawa, if it is a non-stick one, good non-stick one, you don't need to worry a lot. You can just remove with your hand like that. And I'm gonna prepare one more waffle now. So one is already ready. If you want to bake it a more, you can more you can also bake it more on the tawa. So these are mostly available outside, like in UK and US. People love to have waffles, and that is the daily routine. It is just like a bread and bread sandwich for us. So if you want, you can use honey also, or a sugar powder also on that. If you don't have any chocolate or Hershey's with you. Now my second waffle is also ready. I'm trying to remove it. So it is still soft. I want it to set it for cool. Till then I'm just putting Hershey's on it. You can also use sugar powder or honey if you don't have Hershey's, or if you have a mood, very good mood, try to get an ice cream and put it on it and eat off. It will be like crispy ice cream you're eating, and you will love it. And I'm sure you will comment me in the comment section after you prepare this. Just believe me. And it should not be soft like this. Try to make it little hard, and it should be crispy. So I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna make a very good videos for you in the future. Please just encourage me and click the subscribe button and share to all your friends. And thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.